case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1989, the Supreme Court of Georgia found itself entangled in a complex interpretation of whether a campaign contribution could be legally considered a bribe in the case of State versus Agan. The heart of the case concerned honorary Turkish consul in Atlanta, a man named Agan, who was embroiled in a contentious bid for a building height variance for a proposed hotel construction project. Agan was accused of offering campaign donations to 2 DeKalb County commissioners in an attempt to secure their support for his application, blurring the line between lawful campaign contribution and bribery. In the aftermath, Agan found himself convicted of bribery. However, Agan appealed this judgment. The Court of Appeals found inconsistencies in the original trial and deemed a retrial necessary, additionally acquitting Agan's co-defendant, Sarper, due to lack of compelling evidence. Nevertheless, the decision left the Supreme Court of Georgia with the task of interpreting the increasingly complex bribery statute. The Supreme Court disagreed with the Court of Appeals' interpretation and statutorily redefined the parameters of campaign contributions. The court ruled that any monetary exchange, regardless of its label, could be termed a bribe if it intended to manipulate a public official's professional duties. As the concluding act in this legal play, the case was forwarded back to the trial court, tasked with investigating claims of selective prosecution against Agan. If this claim held water, Agan's conviction would be reset. Otherwise, the judgment was upheld, barring any appellate issues which were deemed to be without errors. The court's final decision thus stood, part affirmation, part reversal, and part remanding for further investigation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.